Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Are you all fine? Okay. So in our last class, we have discussed about some effects that can be applied to our presentations. What are they? Yes, changing the background and inserting objects. And today we can discuss about the applying animation. So what is animation children? Do you know anything about animation? Yes, you know. Yes, in the field of animated movies and cartoons. What is used there? Animation. The animation is the method by which these cartoons and movies are created. Okay, children. So, what is the definition of animation? In simple terms, we can say that it is the art of creating moving images. In animation, what is happening? The figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. Actually, it gives us an illusion of movement, which is created by showing a series of images. Okay, children? Yes, you might have seen different animated movies and cartoons. Isn't it, children? Yes. And they're all this animation is used. So here we can learn about how to apply animation. So why we are giving animation effects to our presentation? Yes, to make it more interesting. Isn't it, children? Yes. So there are two different ways in which we can add animation effects. The first one is animation in between the slides during transition, and the second one is animation while a picture or text in the slide appears on screen. Okay, so I will show you that you will understand more. Okay. First one is animation in between the slides during transition. So what is transition? It is the movement of the presentation from one slide to another. Okay. So when you see it, you will understand more. And there are many transition effects that we can apply to our presentation. So what is transition effects? Yes, they are the motion sequences and it gives visual interest to a presentation. Let's see how can we apply animation in between the slides. First, you have to click on the second slide of the presentation. Here you can see I have clicked on the second slide to see the transition effects between the first and the second slide. Then you click on the transition tab. Here you can see the transition tab, and under that you can find many transition effects. Okay, then choose any of your desired effect from that. And if you want to see more effects, click on the drop down arrow. You can see here the drop down arrow. So when you click on it, many different transition effects will appear. From that, you can choose any of your choice. And at that time itself, you can see the transition effect demo. The next step is go to the timing group. So here you can see the timing group. Then there are different options available under timing group. The first one is sound effects. You can give sound to the slides and it will play during the transition from one slide to another. How? Yes, you can see a sound box there. So click on the drop down arrow in the sound box to see the available sound effects. From that you can select any sound clips of your choice. The next is transition duration. You can see here the duration box and it shows how much time PowerPoint will take to transit from one slide to another. Okay, here I set the time to 1 second and you can change it by clicking on it. And you can see here apply to all option. So when you click on that option, you can apply the selected transition effect and sound clip to the entire presentation, or you can apply only to the selected slide too. The next option is there, that is on mouse click and after, that you can see there, that is to run a slide. When you click on mouse click option, it lets you move to the next slide during a presentation with the help of mouse click. So when you click on the mouse only, the slide will move to the next slide. Okay. Then the after option is there. There you can set the timing. So it allows the presentation to move to the next slide after a certain number of seconds. That means we don't have to click on the mouse. It will change after certain seconds. Okay. So that's about two options to run a slide. Either using the mouse click, or it will change automatically by setting the time. The next option is advanced effect option. You can see the effect options. So when you click on it, it gives you a list of effect options that you can apply to the transition that you have selected. And it allows you to select the direction from which the transition effect that we selected can be applied. Children, let's see after applying all these options how our presentation works. Here you can see, and here I am running this slide on mouse click option, and I chose dissolve transition effect, and here you can see how it works. Children, is it interesting? Okay, so let's move to the next one, that is animation while a picture or text appears on screen. That is, we can apply animation to the picture or text in a slide. So how? Yes, I will show you. First, you have to click on any slide in your presentation to include animation. So here you can see I selected the slide number 6. Okay. Yes. Then here you can see different images in my slide. From that, select any image. So I selected the image of a weighing machine. You can see here. After that, click on the animation tab. So here you can see the animation tab. So when you click on it, the animation ribbon will appear. You can see different animation styles there. Hold your mouse over any desired animation style to see the effect on the slide. And to see more, click on the drop down arrow. So when you click on the drop down arrow, there will appear more animation styles. Click on any of the animation style and see the effect on the slide. Okay. So you can also view the animation styles by clicking on the add animation button that you can see here. Yes, so it is the add animation button that is located in the advanced animation. Children, here you can see how it works when animation is applied on a picture. Children, you can also apply animation effects to the text. How? Yes, first you have to click on the text area. Just like this, click on the text area and then select the animation style from either the animation group or from the add animation button that you can see here. So here I selected the animation group, and under you can see different animation styles, and select any of the animation styles that you can apply it on the text. Okay. So that's about applying animation. So try to make a sample presentation and apply animation in your slides, text and picture. Okay, children? Yes. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then,